We all know that when you want to download a Windows version from the Microsoft website, you usually have to use the tool provided by Windows, which is the Media Creation tool. However, when you use it, you might find that the download speed is quite slow. If you're using a download manager, you'll be able to download the file much faster. In today's video, we'll see how you can download a Windows ISO file directly using a direct link so that you can use any download manager. We'll also look at how to burn or install the ISO onto a USB drive and make it bootable to install Windows. Let's get started. First, as usual, we'll open Google and search for Download Windows 10. Then we'll go to the Microsoft Download page. If you choose Download Now, it will download the Media Creation tool, which we don't want to use. Here's what we'll do instead. If you're using Google Chrome, press the F12 key or right-click and select the last option, Inspect. This will open a panel, and at the top, choose Console. Scroll down, click on the three dots, and select Network Conditions. When this window appears, uncheck the User Agent option and select something not supported by Windows, like BlackBerry. Then go back to the page and press F5 or right-click and select Reload. Scroll down the page a bit and you'll notice it has changed slightly. And now you have the Select Edition option. Choose the edition you want and click Confirm. A second option will appear to choose the language. After selecting your language and clicking Confirm, you'll see two links, one for the 64-bit version and one for the 32-bit version. You can either click to download the version you need or copy the link and use it with any download manager. This way, you'll have a Windows ISO file ready to be burned or installed onto a USB drive to make it bootable. In the second part of the video, after downloading the file, we'll install a program called Rufus. Just search for it on Google, and you can download the version that suits you from the official website. After opening the program, the first option will be to select the USB drive where you want to install the Windows version. Next, click Select and choose the ISO file you downloaded. Leave the rest of the settings at their default values and then click Start. You'll get a warning that all data on the USB drive will be erased. Just click OK. Once it's done, your USB drive will be ready to boot from and install Windows. That's it for today. If this guide helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more tech tips. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.